In this video, I'm going to show you 5 workable solutions to fix unresponsive Facebook Messenger on iPhone. You're watching howtosolve.com channel, so let's get started. Solution 1. Restart Facebook Messenger. Here you can see both types of iPhones. First is X series model and the second is home button iPhone. Double-click home button to get multitasking screen to force close app. Like and share this video. Solution number 2. Is your FB Messenger app up to date? Open the App Store and find Messenger app using the search bar. And check out app update available. If yes, then update it first. I have an update available, so I do update Messenger by tap on update button. Like and share this video. Solution number 3. Reinstall the FB Messenger app. Tap and hold on the Messenger app icon until the start signal. Then tap on X sign to delete app appear on the app icon. Then tap on Done for X series model. After that, open App Store and find Messenger app to reinstall again. Tap on a cloud with the down arrow icon to re-download app. Like and share this video. Solution number 4. Restart your iPhone. Like and share this video. It is no matter which iPhone model you have, a restart is always a simple way when something like app won't work. By pressing and holding the sleep, wake or power button, you will see the red slider. Just drag it, and turn your device off. Use the same buttons, and turn the phone back on. Like and share this video. Solution number 5. Update your device iOS version. To check software update on iOS, open the settings from the home screen. Find and tap on General. Tap Software Update. Wait for loading the screen and make sure your phone version is up to date. If any update available, please don't ignore and do an update first. I recommend you update software on Wi-Fi network instead of cellular data. Personal hotspot uses cellular data, but it does work as a Wi-Fi. After updating, try to use Messenger app. Extra solutions. Additional tips you can get in pinned comments. If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get the latest video notifications alert. Also be sure to follow on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.